Turn up to this one. Customer said they had no hot water. Quick inspection, it's a Y-plan system. The programmer was on. It was set to constant for hot water. The cylinder stat was cooling, but I'm just going to turn it up anyway, just to check. Have a listen for the pump. I can't hear anything clicking in, so I'm going to go downstairs. It's an old back boiler. I'm just going to remove the front. Just a pilot light, it's not on main flame. So the signal's obviously not getting down, so we're going to whip out the breakdown Bible. We're going to do it a little bit differently this time. We're going to go to Y-plan, hot water sequence, hot water on, switch live only. And you can see it goes from the programmer to the cylinder stat. So I'm going to whip the cylinder stat case off, and you can see commons on the left. So that should be the switch live from the programmer to the cylinder stat. So we're going to check for voltage on common. So we've got no voltage on common. I'm just going to check number 2 as well. Nothing. And we're getting 240 on hot water off. So because there's no voltage getting to the cylinder stat, it must be the programmer that's at fault. So I've got honeywell ST9 400C on the van. I'm going to flick the power off. Get this programmer changed. There's a wiring diagram inside. This has got switch links over, but we're not going to use those. Bit of alteration on the new wiring, but shouldn't be too bad. Get all this disconnected, so I'm going to have to pop the cable through in a different place as well. We love a studded wall. Going to pop a pilot through. And once it comes through in the right place, I'm going to stick a spade bit through to make it a bit bigger, and then pop the cable through like that. Get the new one popped on. Going to turn the heating off and then put the hot water on to constant. Going to head down to the back boiler and take a look. There's no green light means go on this one, but look at that roaring away. So I'm going to head back up into the air and cover to the cylinder stats, and now we've got 240 coming in and 240 going out when the cylinder stats cooling, and we've got nothing on hot water off. So with the cylinder stats satisfied, we'll still get 240 on common, we'll have nothing in the middle, and then we'll have 240 on hot water off. And then turn it back up so the cylinder stat will be cooling. It'll be back to 240 on common, and then you get 240 going down on the cool, and you get nothing on hot water off. And that's another one done. Happy days.